Alright, welcome to the next video. As you see, we're going turbo. The intercooler just came in. Here's the piping and the couplers and the log manifold. Alright, so step one, remove your bumper and then remove your front bumper support. You might just want to cut it off, or you might just want to take it off completely. I want to keep it on, so I'm gonna modify it. As of now, I have it marked for where I want it. I want it to be flush, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up?
Well, my dad's gonna take some parts off where we could fit like this in.
What is it called? The intercooler?
Intercooler. We're gonna put the intercooler somewhere. So, but we're just waiting for my dad to take out the stuff for the intercooler to fit.
Yeah. So we'll see you back
When it's in.
Alright, so far, intercooler's mounted on its own. I don't know if it's a good center, but we'll see when I mount the bumper. I took out the bottom grill off the bumper, so it's the next morning. Here's the intercooler, the piping. The couplers aren't tight yet, but I don't know if you can see there. I got it pretty much ran. Comes up. I got the turbo mounted. It's all bolted up. I got the feed ran. I also have the oil pressure gauge wired and the hose for it. It's teeing off the pressure sensor. Here's the turbo. Here's the feed. Right now I'm about to take off the oil pan. I gotta drop the subframe, and I will get back to you in a minute. But so far, so good. So far I haven't had any problems. Pretty much straightforward. Here's Maple, my little Shih Tzu. Say hi, Maple. She's loving the build. But yeah, here's a little T3 turbo from eBay. It was $130. What do we have here? Here's a weldless bong. I just finished chopping the pan. That's the highest point to me. Pretty clean. I just cleaned off the pan as much as I can with brake cleaner and air hose. Okay, so here's an update. I got my feed line ran. I got all my boost pipes ran. I'm about to put oil in the motor. What else? I was able to not cut the AC line because it was hidden before with the turbo housing, with the cold side housing, and I bent it myself, and let's see how that comes out. Hopefully there's no kinks. If there is, then I'll just order a AC relocating kit, but for now just want to turn it on if it leaks or anything. And in the bottom, here's my oil drain. I did tap it. We'll be wrapping the dump tube. I don't know if I'm do a hood exit or just make it come out the bottom yet. I'm still unsure of that, but as going on YouTube. So since my battery doesn't fit here, I'm gonna relocate my battery to the rear, and the way of doing that, I would just cut here, get a distributor block, connect one there, one here, and run a 0 gauge straight all the way back. And it's just that simple. This ground, just ground it out to the car and make another ground and put it back.